I'm Kyle College.
And I'm Chris Ortiz.
We got Chapter 6, which is all about choosing winning habits over losing habits. So you're in for a treat. Alright, so as you're going through your happy little life, you're going to come through a lot of good habits.
And then you're going to run across a lot of bad habits.
Good habit, the first one that we came across was staying fit. You ready? Yeah!
Alright. Bad habit number 1. Playing video games.
Oh my god, Kyle! I just poured a whole village of Gorgnog! Did you win yet? Good habit number 2. Staying away from the influences of alcohol.
Bad habit number 2. Drinking. You want to chug this cup?
Think you take it? Good habit number 3. Helping a friend when he's depressed because of his loss. Chris, I'm sorry that I beat you. Again.
Oh.
Bad habit number 3. Fighting.
Oh! Whoa, whoa! It's okay. Good habit number 4. Helping others. Oh, what you doing there, Chris?
What you doing?
Let me help. Just calm down. Let me help you with that.
Alright. Bad habit number 4. Smoking.
No. No. Good habit number 5. Coming to you in a car.
Bad habit number 5. Coming to you in the car.
We're going to the car.
Good habit number 5. Paying attention while you are in the vehicle.
I still hear your voice when you sleep next to me. I still feel your touch in my dreams. Forgive me, my way.
Hello, lady who's walking the booth.
Don't know why. Without you, it's hard to survive. 'Cause every time we touch, I get the feeling, and every time we kiss,
Chris, hey, calm down. Let's turn the music down. You gotta pay attention. It's dangerous.
need you by my side. 'Cause every time we touch,
Oh, I'm sorry.
Bad habit number 5. Driving and not paying attention.
Oh! Oh! Yeah!
It's our song, Kyle.
Our song.
You are my fire, my one desire. When I say I want it that way, and we are 2 worlds apart, and reach to
We can do this. Hide it. Hide the bottle. In the trunk. Why can't he walk? Wait, go. Just go. Just go. Good habit that we got is staying fit.
You ready? Yeah.
You look like a cartoon character.